perfect capsule wardrobe is your secret weapon. It can save you time, save you money, and make you look amazing. I'm going to show you in 5 easy steps how to create a capsule wardrobe. Now, this capsule wardrobe can be used for travel, so you're not overpacking. It can be used for your everyday wear. You can create a workwear wardrobe. So what I'm going to show you is going to be the base. Hi, I'm Antoinette. I'm from All About Style. I'm a passionate personal stylist. I love to help women dress with confidence, feel good about themselves, no matter what age or body shape you are, and most importantly, love what you see in the mirror. Step 1, what is a capsule wardrobe? A capsule wardrobe is very personalized to you, and you have to think about what are you going to use these garments for, where are you going, what are your activities, and some of my ladies actually create a couple of capsule wardrobes. Some have a workwear wardrobe and a weekend wardrobe. I have ladies that have retired and have a travel wardrobe. Some are caravanning, so they have a wardrobe for just holidays and beachwear and caravanning. So you've got to think about what you want this capsule wardrobe for, and that's how you then start putting your garments together. Your capsule wardrobe, the whole idea is mixing and matching, creating different outfits with a limited amount of garments. Step 2, choose your colors. So when we're creating a capsule wardrobe, it's all about the colors. If those colors flow, it is going to make it so easy for you to be able to mix and match and create many outfits out of just a select amount of garments. I'll quickly show you here what I've got, just to give you an idea of what I've done. This is my capsule wardrobe. They're the colours that suit me best. So really we have to look at what colours suit us best and what colours we're drawn to and what colours are going to work with our lifestyle as well. What I've done for my bottoms, I'll quickly show you. I've selected 3 bottoms, what we call the base of a capsule wardrobe. So I've got my yellow bottoms, I've got my jeans, and I've got a skirt. They're my 3 base colours that I'm using. So silver's going to be my base with my sneakers as well and my bag. So that way I'm sticking to just the silver. I'm not carting a lot of bags with me if I'm going away. The tops, I've gone for the yellow. I've gone for another top which has the blues and the yellows in it. This one here has the greys and the blues, still work with the yellows as well. This one here, it's got your greys and your whites. I've gone for the plain yellow here, and I've gone for the pink. So these tops will all integrate with my bottoms, mix and match and create different outfits. Step 3, choose your style. So knowing what style suits you best will really help you create that capsule wardrobe. Are you someone that likes classic garments? Are you someone that likes boho? Do you like pops of color? Do you love neutrals? And is your style going to be a mummy style? Is this wardrobe going to be workwear wardrobe? Is it going to be a travel wardrobe? Or is it going to be a general wardrobe that you're going to mix and match and create different outfits for many different occasions? Knowing the style you want to create will help you put those garments together a lot better. You're creating something for you. A style is you and what you want to look like and how you want people to perceive you. And the style actually puts a smile on your face. So knowing when you put a garment on and you feel really good, then you know that's your style. It puts a smile on your face. But if you just put something on and you feel flat in it, it's not your style. That's something to do a bit of self-discovery when it comes to style and see what puts a smile on your face. Step 4, choose your pieces. So we've covered colour and we've covered style, and now it's time to pick up those pieces and decide what we want to do. As I said, my bottoms were pants. So I've gone for pants, jeans and a skirt. Normally I say to people, when you're starting to create a capsule wardrobe, 3 bottoms is ideal. Then you want to select tops that are going to mix and match. For me, I picked 6 tops, and these 6 tops and those 3 pairs of pants, mixing and matching them give me 20 outfits, which if I'm traveling, it gives me easily 14 days where I don't have to worry about anything. And if it's a workwear wardrobe, you've got 2 weeks of outfits already created. So choosing the garments is really important as well. Step number 5 is accessories. When you're dressing, you're actually telling a story. So we want to complete our outfit by accessorizing so we can complete our story. If you're wearing pants or jeans and they have carriers in them, you're going to be tucking your shirt in, please accessorize with a belt. So you're going to need to add a belt possibly to your capsule wardrobe. I love necklaces, so a necklace and a bit of bling elevates your outfit. So if you're out during the day and you're still in the same outfit and you're going out to dinner or you're going out to a nice bar, accessorize, add some big earrings, add a necklace, add some jingle jangle bangles. Accessories really elevate an outfit. Some ladies don't like big and bling, so wear dainty and soft. Think about your personality when you're accessorizing as well, and take about 5-6 different accessories with you when you're traveling, and that changes your outfit. So ladies, accessories are really important and they are so much fun. If you found these tips helpful, comment below and let me know how I've helped you. While you're here, make sure you check out my All About Style YouTube channel. My styling tips and hints will be able to help you.